All right, this is the crochet kit my teenage daughter picked out on Amazon, and she just was in love with the variety of colors and, you know, the value for what all you're getting. This is really small. This is for making smaller, more detailed stitches. So you can see what that looks like in relation to the size of my thumb. It comes with 2 hooks that are also, again, these are really small hooks, approximately a size 8. She likes the colors. They match the picture really well, we feel like. She is happy with the quality. She hasn't had any problems with it breaking. Came with those 2 plastic needles and those 2 double-ended crochet hooks. You can see that is all yarn. There's like a cardboard core in the middle, but pretty good kit. She's very happy with her purchase. She did not have any of this weight thread. It unravels nice. Does not want to go all over the floor. Unravels at a good speed. Yeah, you're looking for colorful starter crochet kit for, you know, mini projects. This may fit your needs. If you would like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out.